If you want to create a Vcard QR code, there are a bunch of sites that you can use to do so, but I will show you this one. It's called QR Code Dynamic. Just search for that in Google, and then it should pop up as the first result. Click on that. And then what you want to do is click on Sign Up, because you want to create a free account here. And that way you will be able to create your QR code and keep it without paying anything. Fill in your desired name, email, and password. I will just sign in with Google. Then I'm just going to select my account and click Continue. And now I will set a password. So now we have created an account. Now we're just going to click on the home page by clicking on the logo in the top left. And then click on Generate QR Codes. And then of these options, we're going to select Vcard. And now you can fill this in. And then after you have filled in the basic information, you can add phone numbers by clicking on phone numbers and click Create. And then add a phone number. Then you can just click Create to add one more and Delete to delete it. Add some socials, Instagram link or Facebook link or something like that. Then you can play with the styles or maybe just have it look like little hearts, for example, or something. And once you're done, you want to actually make sure that it works. So you can use your mobile device to do so. Just open up your camera. And then right underneath, you will get this pop-up. And if you tap on it, and you can see that all the info is in the right field. And now you could just download that and print it. And that is it. Hopefully this helps you.